Díogwyd agus fáilte arás. Hello and welcome back. In this Irish language video, we're going to look at the seasons of the year. Séjour na bliana, seasons of the year. An Tarach is spring. An Saoire is summer. An Fór is the autumn. And An Gheimhre is winter. So they are the seasons of the year, Séjour na bliana. Let's start with the first one, the spring, An Tarach. Lá Airg is a spring day, Lá Airg. And if you wanted to say the spring is coming, you could say this, Tá an Tarach ag teacht. The spring is coming. Tá an Tarach ag teacht. Our next season is summer, An Saoire. I ri an Saoirg is in the summer, or during the summer. I ri an Saoirg. And if you wanted to say, I love the long summer evenings, you could say this, Is bralum na tranona fada Saoirg. Is bralum na tranona fada Saoirg. After summer we have autumn, An Fór, autumn. If you wanted to say the start of autumn or early autumn, you could say this, I dús an uair. I dús an uair. Tá an Fór ann. The autumn is here, or it is autumn. Tá an Fór ann. And winter is next, An Gheimhre. Winter, An Gheimhre. Winter weather is Aimsir Gheimhrig. Aimsir Gheimhrig, winter weather. And if you wanted to say we had a hard winter, or we had a difficult winter, you could say the following phrase, Bhí gheimhre crua a gcuin. Bhí gheimhre crua a gcuin. We had a hard winter. So if you enjoyed this, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to let me know in the comment section any other phrases about the seasons of the year. Gurb míle mágad agus feicigh mé go luathú mar sin. Thank you very much, and I will see you soon.